Hello friends, welcome to the class. Today we have one important theorem here. Median bisect the triangle. This theorem is not given in the textbook, though we are proving here because it is very useful while doing the exercise later on. So first of all, what is median? Median of a triangle is a line joining a vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side. Here D is midpoint of side BC, so AD is one median. Similarly, we can draw a median from the vertex B to the opposite side AC, as well as from vertex C to its opposite side AB also. So what we have to prove? This median bisect the triangle. That means it divides the triangle into two equal parts. That means area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. We prove here. So first we write here given in triangle ABC, D is midpoint of side BC, so that therefore AD is a median. And to prove is AD bisects triangle ABC. That is area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. Or we can write triangle ABD is equal to triangle ACD is equal to half of whole triangle ABC. After getting the area of triangle ABD and ACD equal, the area of each triangle will be equal to the half of the area of the whole triangle ABC, because when a whole body is divided into two equal parts, each part is always equal to the half of the whole. We need one construction here. In construction from vertex A, we draw one perpendicular AP to its opposite side BC. From the vertex A, AD perpendicular to BD or BC is drawn. Now with the help of this construction, we can find the area of triangle ABD as well as triangle ACD by using the formula R base into height, from which we get areas of these two triangles ABD and ACD are equal. Statements, reasons. We are showing the proof of the theorem here now. Serial number 1. As D is midpoint of BC, we can write BD is equal to CD. BD is equal to CD. Since D is midpoint of BC, 2 number. Area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle is equal to half base into height. For the triangle ABD, BD is the base, AP is the height. Therefore, we can write half BD into AP. Area of triangle is equal to half base into height. By using this formula. Number 3, similarly area of triangle ACD half, what is the base? CD is the base and AP is the height. We have the common height of both the triangles here, because we have the common vertex of the triangle and base is lying on the same straight line BC. Therefore, it is CD into AP. Same region, area of triangle is equal to half BC into height. So number 4, therefore, AP the common height, BD and CD are equal. Therefore, this right hand side and this right hand side same. So left hand side, area of triangle ABD is equal to the area of triangle ACD. Region is from statements 1, 2 and 3. We have used all 3. BD is equal to CD and 2 and 3. Now number 5. Therefore, triangle ABD is equal to triangle ACD is equal to half of triangle ABC. We can write here. It is from statement 4, you can say. From statement 4. So in this way, the proof of the theorem is completed. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.